Why does my HVAC system smell like dirty laundry? It usually means moisture, dust, and microbes are building up somewhere in the system, often in the filter, drain pan, ductwork, or evaporator coil. That smell can happen when warm, damp air meets dust inside your heating and cooling system. Tiny bits of lint, skin flakes, and dirt can stick to wet parts, and that creates a musty odor that can seem a lot like sweaty clothes or a dirty hamper. One of the most common places this starts is the evaporator coil, which gets cold when the air conditioner runs and can collect water. If that water does not drain well, the inside of the unit stays damp, and that gives odor-causing growth a place to spread. Another hidden spot is the condensate drain line, which can clog with slime and make water sit inside the system. A lot of people do not know that a small amount of buildup on a coil can smell much stronger than it looks because air moving across it carries the odor through the whole house. The good news is that this often gives you a clue about a fixable cleaning or moisture problem, not a mystery problem. A common mistake is changing the filter and stopping there, even when the smell comes back fast. A new filter helps, but if the coil or drain line is dirty, the odor can still keep blowing through the vents, so check those parts too. Another thing to watch is ignoring the smell because it only shows up when the system first turns on. That can mean the smell is trapped inside and gets pushed out by the first burst of air, so do not assume it is harmless just because it fades. People also forget that a damp basement, attic, or crawl space can feed smells into the ducts, so look for outside moisture sources near the unit. If the smell gets stronger after heavy rain or high humidity, that is a clue to check for leaks or poor drainage. A simple step is to inspect the filter, look for standing water, and make sure the drain line is clear. If the smell keeps returning, a professional cleaning of the coil and ducts may be the right move. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.